It's pretty. This is Villa Sunkiss. First order of business, kumain ng brunch sa Brunch Club.
Hi, sorry, can I add an iced vanilla latte? 2 iced vanilla. Yep, correct. Thank you. Thank you. Iced vanilla latte. Fried chicken Benedict. Sarap niya. Check namin yung convenience store dito.
Parang cute tong place. Let's check the clothes. Ano to? We're gonna look for a nearby cafe lang. Sana meron kami madadaanan. It's been raining then and very gloomy. So walang sunset. But hopefully nice naman. We're gonna check Atlas Beach Club. Inside the beach club, mayroon din mga stores. May mga clothing stores din. We ordered fried rice and nasi goreng. Parang masarap din talaga siya. Mataas yung reviews eh.
Nasi goreng.
Ang sarap ng noodles.
So everybody has ordered 2 boxes, is it?
No, it's just the two of us. We ordered rice and noodles.
Ang nasa omelette naman.
Parang Pilipino din yung style.
We're done with the meeting already. And gabi na. So, dinner time. We're gonna go out for dinner. We're gonna eat sa Woods Perenanan. Cute place. We're in Nusa Penida. We're going to Broken Beach. Ang masasabi ko lang, para kami nasa 4x4. Grabe na to. What's the name of this restaurant?
Sea rice.
3 Seganing. Fried noodles. Medyo.
Kung natin na ano.
We're now walking to Clinking Beach. Uy. Ano, it's fine. We'll go down. We'll go down anyway.
No, we don't go down.
Ah, we don't. Ah, Antoine, hindi na daw bababa talaga. We're here sa may beach. Let's check kung ano mga pwedeng bilhin. What?
Hi, can we order one ice latte? Sugar on the side.
Thank you. Nandito kami sa The Common. Nakita ko siya sa vlog ni David. Masarap daw yung coffee. So we're gonna eat dinner na rin here. Ice latte. Burrito. Ano? Burrito. Tofu adobo. Parang gusto ko bumalik dito.
Shadow niya.
Love niya. It's good. Ang sarap niya. Parang ngayon ako lang tuwa sa kinakain ko. Kakatapos lang namin kumain. Food, 10 out of 10. No?
So yes, 10 out of 10. Punta kayo doon.
Super solid nung food
Tapos
nila
punta
doon.
rin kayo here, sa Nalo.
Hindi mo pa ka natitikman? What's your best seller? Sorry. Sorry, can I try this one? What's this one? Can I try it, please? Yeah. Ooh. Thank you. Good morning. We'll check the beach. Ngayon lang nagka-araw, nakakainis. Walking distance lang kami to the beach. We're on our way to Deso Kitsune. Punta kami sa next cafe sa may BGS. Walking distance lang from here. Ganun. Birds actually. Morning. What's your best seller? I'm good. Ice almond latte. I'll get that one.
So, will be a small spice.
Alright, I'll get that one. That's all. This is ice, right? Yeah. Thank you. Got it. Medyo matapang siya. Masarap naman siya. It's too strong lang though. Sabi niya ito daw yung best seller nila. Sarap naman actually. No, hindi lang gising. Taid. mag-check kami ng grocery store for pasalubong. Which one is that? This one? Garam masala? Spicy. We're gonna have our late lunch here. Parang nasa ubod na area na kami. May goreng.
Hindi gaya nung kahapon. Paniserve lang. Oh, okay.
We're here sa Tegenungan Waterfall. Kasi di na kami natuloy sa Uluwatu. So, we're here sa Ubud to check mga pwede na lang puntahan. That's the falls. We'll try to go there. Hindi na ako bumaba sa may waterfalls kasi bakit? I'll just buy pasalubong siguro here. Dito kami sa Krishna to buy pasalubong. Ang dami ko na nabili. Maubos ko na lang yung natitira kong money. Nakaka 242 na. 242,000. Check ko pa kung magkano yung natira sa pera ko. Para alam ko. Grabe yung bit-bit ko. Meron akong bag. Another bag. Backpack. We'll try to fit everything sa maleta. Nabawasan ko na, pero this is Korean rice bowl.